Yeah, I got a Gixxer, this, and a 636.
Yeah, I thought I recognized you. You know it, right?
What's up, YouTube? Back at it with the dirt bike handlebar install. Getting to the nerve-wracking part where we tap through the triple tree. Hell yeah. Visor cutout seems fucking awesome. And we are through. Holy shit.
Oh yeah, that's pretty damn dead center.
It's like, fuck yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
Next bit. Yeah, it's just fucking like really it's not that bad, honestly, but
yeah. Like I said, once you get the pilot hole, it's like not that bad, but it still is kind of.
The fact that I'm sawing into my $8,000 bike.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, one more.
Fucking wristy twisty tool, baby.
Seriously. Recommend a helmet. Safety glasses. This is definitely not OSHA approved.
Shh. Yeah.
So we got through. I'm thinking a little fucking hot, I'm assuming.
Yeah. This broke immediately as we got through, dude. It couldn't have been at a more perfect time.
Oh shit. Alright, that was tough. Not gonna lie, I'm like tired. I didn't really do much. So update, we went over the freedom cycle because the bars I had before were 7/8, and then the clamps I had were for the inch or the inch and a half. These big guys, so I had to go over and exchange the bars because they did not have the 7/8 clamp in stock, nor do they sell it. So I went with the inch and a half for the inch bars, the inch and eighth, where the fuck it is. Some different color. It's more like a gunmetal color versus the silver. But yeah, we're like almost there. Tyler's just a little jealous. He's not on the 636 today. Everybody comment and get this motherfucker. Tell him to stunt the 636 out, alright? No race bike over here.
Race bike.
The stunt channel.
180 miles an hour.
And then what?
Tree.
That is the update. We're gonna throw these bitches on.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think I wanted to go for like more of a stock look, and I think these match a lot better. Tyler pointed out that the triple tree goes a lot better with it. The visor cut's fucking awesome. These bad boys. Sprocket's holding up good, dude. Chain sprocket, loosened a little bit. It's like fucking pretty great. Can't complain. Next step after this is a bath. Yeah. Alright, so that's that. I'll update you guys some more in a little bit. Yeah, dude, this whole shitload of different shit is going on right now. Yeah, so right now I gotta measure the front brake line, see how long that bitch is, because this is not doing it. I need like an extra like 12 inches on top of this, or 9. So I gotta measure that real quick, get an idea of what I need with the dirt bike bars install. Dirt bike bar install. I got the I went over to Omni Hydraulics and I asked them if they custom made brake lines and hoses, and they said yeah. So I'm gonna get a steel braided brake line for my front brake so I can run it on the dirt bike bars, because the one that's on it is currently not long enough. It's about 24, like 26 inches long, and I need another like at the least 12 inches on top of it. And I went ahead and had him add 16 inches on top of it, so there'd be more. No chance of having less. I won't see that till Monday, and hopefully Monday I'll be riding the bike. It's Wednesday or it's Thursday today, so I got a few days, but Monday morning he said he'd call me and we'll figure that out.
Gixxer, this, and a 636.
Yeah, I thought I recognized you. You know it, right?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, they always text about getting the foods and shit.
Yeah. Didn't you used to live on High Street? Way back?
Younger, yeah.
Yeah, we used to play basketball.
Oh shit, no way.
Yeah, I used to live upstairs in that shitty apartment.
Oh, it's sick.
Hell yeah, bro. Figured I'd ride with you for a minute.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.